Hello everybody, my name is Patrick and the photography tip for the week is how do you make your ordinary image more interesting, especially when you're shooting a product and you think you just want it to basically just speak more. My advice would be, now today I have got this lens, and this lens I'm supposed to take a photo of it and make it more interesting. Think of it like any other product that you're taking photo of. Now if I take just this by itself, it's just a normal catalog kind of image, but if I want to make it more interesting, I would put it down and then I would introduce other things around it. For example, if I'm to take a photo of it, if I just focus on it, okay, and I take a photo, it's just there. There is nothing to go home about to. So what I would do, I would basically just add some extra prop on it just to make it stand out a little bit more. So I'll introduce other things related to the subject and let's see how different that makes it. Okay, so remember to always just maintain the star of your show as the main product and then introduce other stuff around it. So if I'm to take this, now there you go. You can also take another shot from there. Okay, you can also you can move it around. Okay, you can basically just move things around and make it more interesting. Remember to always keep the star of the show in the center of the image, and then the rest are just props to make it stand out. The next time that you're taking an image of a product, remember to also incorporate other things in your shot to make it more interesting, to make it stand out more, to make the product stand out more and look more interesting. So until next week, adios.